Welcome. I'm here to guide you through a meditation for psychic protection and energy maintenance. Before starting, I would like to ask you to remember that you are in charge of your own energy and your experience here. Refer back to this feeling of safety and control throughout the meditation. Let us begin. Start by getting into a comfortable position and take a few deep breaths. Inhale through your nose and exhale out of your mouth. Set an intention for our time together today. Focus on what you want to achieve or what you would like to experience. Now, direct your awareness to the physical sensations you are feeling. What areas are feeling tense? Can you take a few moments to stretch or move around if needed? Take as long as you need, and direct your attention back to your breathing as you become comfortable. Now, when you are ready, let's create your protection shield. Imagine an airy bubble around you. It can be whatever color or material that you feel best serves its purpose. This is going to be your shield, so make sure that it is strong and secure enough to maintain and protect your energy. Once your shield is complete, we're going to begin channeling energy through it to further strengthen it. Picture a bright light gathering in your center, and slowly it will expand outwards and spread up and around your body. As it wraps around you, it will move outwards to the crevices of your shield and fill it up until it's luminous and glowing. Now, imagine that your shield is made out of a diamond, beautiful, shining, and strong. Feel the diamond's light shielding you, reflecting away any negative vibrations or energies. Let the diamond's glossy light protect and maintain your own energy. Visualize the diamond shield protecting your aura, ensuring that only positive vibes and energy can come through. Direct your attention within. When we experience a threat or negative energy, it can often be traced back to a certain emotion that has been suppressed. Spend some time to feel into your body and energy field and take a note of any sensations, emotions, or thoughts. Take a few moments to explore these and observe without judgment, doubt, or fear. As you become aware of any emotions, picture yourself sending a healing white light to each of them. Acknowledge and accept them for what they are, and slowly start to imagine that white light washing every part of your being and slowly peeling away any negative energy. Feel the light melting away any worry and fear and replacing it with peace, calm, and ease. Keep this feeling with you as we transition into a visualization exercise. Imagine yourself in nature. The place can be anywhere that you would want to be. Perhaps a summer meadow, by a lake, or even just in your backyard. Allow yourself to be fully immersed in the moment and the environment. Picture all the vibrant colors and sounds. If you feel comfortable, turn and face the sun and let its warm glow reach you and envelop you with a gentle, calming sensation. Focus on the physical sensations you are experiencing and incorporate them into your practice. Listen to the nature around you, the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves in the breeze, and let your heart swell with gratitude for the peace and protection that Mother Nature provides. Stay in this space for a few moments as you connect with nature and its energy. Take as long as you need to explore this feeling. When you are ready, bring yourself back to the present moment and the sensation of your breath. Feel the security and power of your diamond shield around you, knowing that it is there with you throughout your journey. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking care of your energy and protection. Recognize how you have been in control of the practice, and feel that feeling of control. Now, slowly move your hands, first your left and then your right, making circles in the air. Feel the energy that you have created with your shield and the connection with nature still pulsing through you as you wave your hands. When you feel ready, come back to your breath. Feel the air moving in and out of your lungs, and close your eyes when you feel comfortable doing so. On each exhale, imagine that white light emanating out of your core and expanding. Know that the diamond shield is still protecting you, and the light is pushing away any negativity. Stay in this space for 5 to 10 minutes, exploring and connecting with the energy as we complete this meditation. we complete our meditation. Without any haste, open your eyes and stretch your body when you are ready. Take a moment to acknowledge the power and security of your diamond shield, and remember that it's always there when you need it. Thank you for entering my energy space today. I'm grateful for this time we have shared and ask that you bring this gentle energy and sense of safety with you. Namaste.